Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to take the topic on cyber security. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is nothing but the protection of information in all its forms that gets exist, whatever it may exist through the application of the good security practices. And also, the cybersecurity is the protection that forms the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information, whether it has a application and awareness of the program. If we take the cyber security policy, the cyber security has different types of privacy policy to be done in the form of good security practices. So the good security practices, the cyber security, everything done in comes under the privacy policy. The cyber security policy is more important for a customer to make the data safe wherever he is or using the data. Whereas in the cybersecurity practices, it has a good cybersecurity training everywhere, all over the world. The training process takes place, and also cybersecurity awareness program is more um, indulge all over the world to make the customers more confident, and also to be more secured with the data whatever they are including in the social media. So the cyber security technology has been done in the form of technology based system, and also it definitely need a member login and a password, so that the secure data will always be more secured when there is a hacking takes place. So it is formed in the form of CIA trait, which C stands for confidentiality, A stands for availability, I stands for integrity. This three things is more important as a triangle where the data is more secured inside these three triads. CIA. So C says the confidentiality, availability, and integrity. Whereas in the form of confidentiality, information should be confidential without disclosure and exposure, and also the integrity should be more integrated with the data which you are conforming it, and the availability of the secured process is also comes under CIA. So, whereas in the characters of cybersecurity, it has a utility, integrity, availability, confidentiality. This comes under the privacy and possession, in which possession the data takes place, and how much the privacy is there, and how much you are utilizing the um, website, and how many datas are being saved. Everything is come under this triangle called as the cyber security. So we definitely need some essential terminologies also, so in the form of risk and breaches, threats, attacks, and exploits. These are the things that happens when it is come under the essential terminologies. So risk, breaches, threats, and attacks always exploits the things, and we have to be very careful in giving the data. In the form of risk, the loss of confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information, data, or the systems that reflect the potential adverse. It also impacts the organizational operation and assets, the individuals and other organization, and also the nation to be shared. Whereas the loss means the any damage or any claim, cost, or expense of whatever you are doing it with the nature directly and also indirectly, that is contributed by resulting and arising in a connection with the cyber act. All these things preventing and suppressing can be done in the form of cyber act and cyber incident. Whereas the threats as a cybersecurity threat is a malicious act that seeks to damage the data and also to steal the data or disrupt the digital life. So, in general, you can say the cyber threats include the computer viruses, data breaches, denial of service, that is DOS attacks, and also the other attack vectors takes place in the cyber security. This also has some vulnerabilities, Vulnerabilities is nothing but the flaws in a computer system that weaken the overall security of the device, and also it is the weakness in either the hardware or in the form of a software that exploits the threat act and also the actor to cross the privilege boundaries. So when the vulnerability takes place in a system, the attacker must have at least one applicable tool. So that the when the connection is so weak. Okay, so this is how the attack surface takes place. So the cybersecurity is more important for the people who are using the datas all over the social media. So these are the things to be managed, and how the process takes place by identifying and classifying and evaluating, and also the address to be the determined when need to treat the vulnerability. So this is how it takes place, and how we accept this vulnerability and make use of it in the form of threat. So this is the information assets. This is how you get the information assets. So by get if you're searching for any products, and they will automatically give you the information what are you're searching for. So what are the datas you're searching for, how come they are grabbing those informations is also more important in the cyber security. So, in the form of exploits is also a script that can be used to take an advantage of the computer's vulnerability. In the form of breach, also the movement of a hacker which successfully exploits a vulnerability, it gains the device, and also it has some files, and how the network takes place. So, in the form of attack, the cyber attack is more cautionary, and it has a set of actions performed by the threat actors. So, when you are trying to gain the unauthorized access, when you steal the data, or if you cause any damage to the computer, so this is how the cyber attack takes place from that can be launched from any location. So the attack can be performed by individual or by groups. So you have to be very careful with all the tools to release those attacks. So this is how that takes place when you're searching for that. Some good hackers, they give the searches, and but in the form of a record, or you are going to any process of money takes place, the hackers will be more ready to hack it and get all those monies. So this is how the cyber security takes place, and in the form of vulnerability. Thank you.